in the world? I just washed my hair. Hey guys! Okay, so today, as you guys can see, don't be scared why my hair looks like this. It's a hair video today, guys. Today I'm actually gonna comb my hair, which is rare. I'm gonna do this style. It's called a stretched twist style. You feel me? So it's a twist style with a twist.
That's not funny.
Okay, so today we're also going to review the Cantu products. A lot of people are like, they don't like Cantu products because it's too like flakes in their hair or all of that. Today I'm going to be trying like one new thing, but the rest of the stuff I've tried, well, actually never tried leave-in conditioner either. So we're gonna try like 2 new Cantu products, and then like the others are stuff that I've used already. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve this style, then just stay tuned and keep watching. Boom! So my hair is already, I washed my hair last night. I used the Cantu conditioner and the shampoo, and I loved it. It actually made my hair feel really soft, and it was like really easy to detangle. So yeah, actually like detangled my hair for the most part, and it's relatively dry. There's like no product in it or anything, so I'm just gonna take them out of these twists, and then we're gonna work on section by section. So my hair is very dry and crispy because it just dried overnight, and I only put like a little shea butter on the ends. I'm so tired already. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just spritz the entire section with some water, but because I actually want my hair to you know dry today, so I just spritz my hair with some water, and because I want my hair to dry today, I actually am not going to put a lot. I just want the section to be like workable. So then the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the leave-in conditioner like in the section like as a whole to moisturize it. The texture is
it's kind of clumpy, but creamy at the same time.
It's clumpy, creamy. I don't know if I should use that much. I'm just gonna use like this much. I don't know how much that is, but it's not like a lot, but it's just very like, it's kind of creamy, it's kind of clumpy, not really, and I'm just gonna work it in from my ends up. It's just a deep penetrating leave-in conditioning cream made with pure shea butter and other natural oils. It's supposed to make your hair stronger, healthier, yada yada yada. No mineral oil, sulfates, parabens, silicones. Definitely don't know how to pronounce that. Okay. How do you even pronounce PHT? Phthalates?
Yeah, phthalates. No mineral oil, sulfates, parabens, silicones, phthalates, paraffin, or propylene glycol. Don't know what any of those are.
Okay, I'm definitely gonna need more than this. My hair is still like crispy. I'm just gonna work it in, you know, scissor hands.
You have to put in a picture with scissor hands.
Now I'm gonna just put like a little more. Don't wanna OD on the products. Get them edges. Please moisturize the edges, guys. I know there's like a lot of people that don't actually moisturize the edges, but you really have to. You can't just like put gel on it. So that's that. Is this flaking? I'm trying to wonder if this is just like products on it, but why is it like?
I don't know. It doesn't flake in my hair. The hair is washed good.
No, my hair is very clean.
Hey, look, I just made a gif.
Oh, it's a gif.
I
The entire section is like moisturized with the leave-in conditioner. My hair doesn't feel like, I mean, it's fine. It's not the best. I've actually tried another leave-in conditioner from Cantu that worked better, but this one doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't do much really on this part of my hair anyways. I don't know.
When I use it with the coconut curly cream. So like I take my hand in both.
Yeah, oh, and you mix
then,
it.
Yeah, and then I rub it through my hair.
Oh. So now I'm just gonna section off a part of my hair that I'm gonna twist. So now I'm just gonna take this section, and my hair does feel a little moisturized, but not like a whole lot. And then I'm just going next with this moisturizing curl activator cream. It's supposed to activate your curls, deliver volume and shine, and reveal frizz-free bouncy curls. I naturally do not have frizz-free bouncy curls. That's just not my hair type, so I don't expect to do that.
You don't have curly hair? Oh my gosh, your whole life is a lie.
Oh, I don't know if I like this right now. I don't know.
You never tried that one before?
I have, but it doesn't, I don't know. I don't know if it's because I've never tried it on dry hair before.
Oh.
This is me trying to do a twist out dry, so that's also probably why. My hair is semi-damp, but it's not like dripping wet like I usually do it, but it should work the same at all. I'm gonna put a little more of the curl activator. It's gonna be finishing already. Just like this much more. And I'm gonna just work this through the section. Okay, so now that's that on my hair. Then I'm gonna go in with a little, just like the tiniest amount of sweet almond oil. I usually use shea butter, but I feel like it might flake in my hair with Cantu, so I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna use a little bit of sweet almond oil to seal in the moisture.
I feel like that was a lot for that section.
It really was. My hair kind of feels moisturized now. The curl activator, I kind of really like it. Now, this is my first time actually trying the Cantu Extreme Hold Styling Stay Glue. And apparently this is supposed to, like, let me read it. Okay, so apparently this is supposed to sculpt and stay. It's supposed to give long-lasting flake-free hold, and it's humidity resistant for extreme styles. They literally have, oh, this is so cute. It says mega hold, but then like they crossed out the mega and put extreme hold. So I'm expecting this to like kind of define my curls, but like actually make it last, but make the style last longer. So I'm just gonna put a little, like this much, and then I'm gonna just like work that from ends to roots. Ooh, I kind of like this.
Does it feel like regular hair gel?
Yeah, but like
soft,
smoother.
Oh, okay.
It feels like Eco Styler, the clear one, but like it's not as crunchy. As for defining my curls, the front of my hair doesn't really curl anyway, so it's kinkier at the front, so it doesn't really curl that much. So I don't expect it to curl anything here. But as for like, I kind of like it.
How does your hair feel?
It feels soft. Like my hair actually feels soft. It doesn't feel, it feels moisturized. It feels like I can feel products in it. It doesn't feel like, you know when you put certain hair products on, it feels like it's sitting on top of your hair.
Yeah.
It actually feels like it's penetrating the hair, so it feels soft. So now I'm just splitting the section into two, and I'm gonna just begin to twist. I don't twist well either, so don't roast me. Idiot. I'm just gonna twist that all the way down to the ends. Oh, I like the sound.
I like when I twist my hair and I can select the products.
The products, I feel like it's actually working.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to smooth the hair down as I twist it. So it leaves the twist out like actually like defined. Do you feel me? Then I'm just gonna twirl the ends. Boom. One twist done. That end did not twirl. Now we're gonna go on to the other section that we moisturized, and then we're just gonna follow the same exact steps.
It says apply a generous amount of product to ends of damp hair and work towards roots. That's probably why
it feels okay, because my hair is dryish. Oh shit, now I get my wit on. Since it said to put a generous amount, I'm just going to put a little more on the ends of my hair because they do feel a little crispy. Now this section is gonna be bigger because I don't know. I like when my twist outs are like fluffier at the top and then like more defined towards the front. You get me?
Yeah.
So it gives it like a nice little shape. As you can see, there's different curls in different parts of my hair. Like hair is curly and then hair is just like not. Okay, so guys, I'm back. My hair is air dried for like the most part. It's still kind of like semi, but not really. So then now we're gonna move on to actually stretching my hair with a blow dryer. It's actually preferred if you have like a concentration nozzle to use that, but Ariel doesn't, so here we are. I'm just gonna basically just use it on the lowest setting at the less heat. Not much.
The cooler of
the cooler of the settings. So basically I'm just gonna like stretch my hair. I'm just gonna pull my hair very tautly and blow dry it like along the length of my hair. And this is just to ensure that the curls are like longer and stretched basically. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do right now. just stretched my hair after it wasn't long, but it was kind of long. So now I'm just gonna pull up my twists. They're fully dry, they're very moisturized. I hope they're fully dry. And then we're gonna see what happens, how the look turns out. My hair is not going to look anything like natural 85.
You know that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, I feel a little definition coming in.
Ooh, those are actually cute.
Kind of still wet, but it's fine. Just light though. And I'm just gonna separate as I go along because laziness. Is this a flake? My hair flaked. Look at my lap. Look at the ends.
Even the front of it. The front of it looks more flaky than the rest.
What?
Like the ones that it just pull out?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like, but it looks nice. Like it looks so bouncy and full of life.
My hair feels nice. Why is it flaking? What in the world? I just washed my hair. Remember my hair flaked last time? It's a curl activator I'm gonna use. Okay guys, so this is the turn out. My hair kind of flaked like in certain sections. I don't know if you guys can probably like see it from there, but like closer to the front. I'm actually wondering if it's because it's not like dry, but that would make sense because I did the front of my hair first. I don't know, but it's kind of flaking at the ends, but my hair looks like soft and curly, and it feels very moisturized. Like it feels like soft. As for if it's like stretched, I actually don't know. I feel like my hair usually looks like this anyway. It doesn't look stretched, it still looks whatever.
It's very defined though.
Yeah, which is wild. The curls?
Yeah.
I'm shook. Okay, so guys, woo, my hair is like very soft, it's very fluffy, it's serving real energy. Like, what do you guys think?
It's giving us movement as well.
It's giving us bounce. That's lip gloss. Alright, yeah, tell me what you guys think. Like, how you feeling? How you vibing? When I wear my hair like this, I don't usually just wear it like this. I usually at least like lay the front. So I'm gonna put the stay glue to the test again to see if it like holds up and if it actually like lays my edges well, because this does claim to have like long lasting hold and it sculpts and stays. So let's see if this works. So this is the final look. I just like laid my edges with the glue. It works well, but not like as strong as, like I've tried other gels and stuff and snots like that have worked like way stronger. Like if I tied it down it would be fine, but it's just like not the strongest. I've had it on for like 10 minutes, I want to say, and it still doesn't feel like as hard as it claims, like for extreme hold. It worked well in my hair. I don't know if that's what caused the flaking, but I don't know. I think it's the activator, but I'm not sure. With regards to like my edges, if I tie down my edges, it will work. But for now, it's just not like, I could do without it, if you get what I mean. I think it's very, it's crazy, honestly. I'm not mad at it. I think it's very defined, it's very fluffy, it's very soft. The flaking actually really annoyed me. But for now, my hair is just like really soft and defined. Not in the back, but mostly towards like this area. Yeah, I actually like it. I don't care for my hair to be defined anyways. That's not really my style. That's why I was going for a stretch twist out. I've seen my twist outs be more stretched than this before, but I mean, for now, I guess it will work. It's not bad. It's not like my favorite, but I think it's cute. That wasn't even a proper explanation. But yeah, my hair is how it is. What do you guys think? I kind of like it. What do you think?
What do you think?
Let me know what you guys think about Cantu products, if you guys have used it before, if it's worked well with your hair before. But yeah, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Yeah, thanks guys for tuning in. Bye!